Chi here. Today was a good day because I got another Brandon Blackwood bag. I was already filming, so I wasn't about to change for y'all, so y'all getting this look again. Appreciate it. But if you don't know Brandon Blackwood, you know, he's creme de la creme. I saw this bag and I don't know, I just been wanting it. So if you don't know, it comes in a lovely box with a note. Let me see, get it all up in there. It is not handwritten, but the print of it makes it feel handwritten. I love that touch with his bags. And we have a Zus bag. The only thing I wish that he would change about the packaging is that I honestly don't like when the packaging is within the dust bag. I'd rather unfold it like a gift, you know? But hey, it's okay. I still love it. And you can kind of see what color I got right now. But she ended up buying the Orange Syl bag. Ooh, she's cute. She's cute. Get up in here. Very nice, very nice. Everything is nicely protected. We can go ahead and take this, take that tape off, and let me take off this because I already know she's a part of the fam. So yes, undressed, ready to go. You can get into the hardware. The hardware is silver. I don't mind it because there's not a lot of hardware to it. So I was like, I'm okay with this, but this is a nylon bag. So typically with nylon, it's very durable. So you can go some places with this bag. And the bag did come stuffed. Wasn't an air paper, but as long as a bag is stuffed, I'm happy. And bam, it is a nice black pit. But inside you do have a zippered compartment that I believe you could fit a card holder into. So I do like that. Again, y'all know I love either a zippered pocket or a slip pocket on the back part of a bag. And she's cute. She's cute. Again, I didn't want to purchase a Prada re-edition, even though there is a Prada bag that I really do want, but the top handle version of the Prada that everyone is buying, I was like, make it black owned. I'm all about it. So I think I've become your authority on, you know, popular bags, but make it black owned. So this is the bag. It was on my radar. I was a little nervous about this bag only because it's more of a top handle, kind of a shoulder bag. It does fit. I am plus size. I got the bat wings to prove it. So it does fit, but I feel like it's too close to my shoulder where it'll fall off. So I wouldn't wear this bag like that anyway, because if you're a big girl, you already know you're gonna get a pit stain on your bag, and we are not about that. So I would carry this specifically top handle. I just thought it was cute. It was fun. I wanted to finish out this summer with a fun, vibrant bag, and this just did it for me. They do have a couple of colors, and they do have like pony hair editions and stuff like that. So I just wanted an orange bag, okay? I'm still waiting for my Telfar bags. And I believe that one has I think I ordered a orange one. I can't even remember. But I was like, summer's almost over. I wanted a pop of orange to add to my collection. You can see, you know, Brandon, he's back there. See, your girl supports. I'm not gonna do a what fits inside yet because I really wanna live in the bag first. But off top, your phone does fit. I think that's the most important part of a bag is, does your phone fit? So off bat, it does fit, and it's just really cute, just very fun. I like it. Even though it's silver hardware, I think silver hardware for this particular bag was the best choice because I don't think gold would have hit as good as the silver, but I am totally digging it. I'm going to live out my best couple of weeks of summer wearing her. So I'm gonna live in it for a little bit, report back and tell you what fits, what I like, what I don't like. But until then, check out some of my other videos and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.